from Leicester in England. So I'm going to ask him some question. So Alice, many people are struggling to speak in English, and people like to speak like native speaker. So as a native speaker, what is going to be suggestion for the non-native speaker who are really interested to learn English, especially the British accent?
Yeah, I think it's difficult because it's a very British accent is very hard to learn. But the only way that you're ever going to learn British slang and British accent is speaking to British people. So, for example, Shawan himself is very good at English, and I can almost hear some British slang come out when he speaks. So, whoa! So, what I'd say is, just speak to as many British people as possible. I know that's not always possible, but if this goes out to a Bangladeshi audience, if you see a tourist, a foreigner that's British, go and just speak to them, and you'll learn some little bits of slang. And I think, Shawan's definitely picked up a few little bits off me already. So, yeah, I think that's the easiest way.
Great.